What's up everybody? Before getting into the video, I quickly wanted to tell you that I am launching today, my own premium group. Alright, it's way more accessible than only the trading signals. Trading signals are still there, so if you want my own trades with the entry, stop loss, take profit, you can also do that via the links down in the description. But now there's also an amazing new premium group which adds a lot of value. If you want to become a better trader, investor, everything, this will give you an edge. Alright, you can check out via the links down in the description what you'll get with it. It has a lot of value. Check it out. If you want to join, you can do that via the links as well. For now, let's get into the video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this video. And the first price prediction on Celestia, or the TIA token. We'll do a full analysis on it as far as it's possible. I made a video yesterday about what I think about the project and whether I think it's a good hold. So check that out. Check that video out if you want to. In short, I think in the next year it could be a good hold if the market turns bullish next year. But after that year, a lot of the tokens go to venture capitals and they will just sell to retail, and then the price will probably sink quite a bit. So overall, long term, I don't think right now it's a great buy. Short term, medium term could be a great buy, but more information in that video. For now, we'll focus on the technicals for TIA. And before we get into that, I do want to say that like some of you are probably thinking now, this coin just launched. How can you do a technical analysis on it? And you're right, you cannot really do that. All right. Right now, I'm looking at the 5-minute time frame, which is something I never do. All right. And I always tell people, if they do that, don't do that. But you'll have to do something. All right. People still, like people right now have bought TIA. And sometimes with these new launches, you can see some key levels and some important levels. And obviously, psychological levels still matter. So we're going to do our best. All right. If we're taking a look at Celestia right now, the volume is huge, like $370 million, which is crazy. So there's a lot of momentum, and I believe TIA has also been launched already on several exchanges as futures. You can also see that the open interest and the volume there is growing, which is obviously it's a new huge crypto, like that's to be expected. But that does mean that a rally is possible. So in my eyes, like what we have already done is that since yesterday evening, the price of Celestia has kind of fallen down like this. It's actually quite a beautiful market structure. Like if you take a look at this, if you clone this, you'll actually see something like this. Pretty beautiful channel. And then what you see is that Celestia has broken out above that. And now the EMAs are also rallying below the price, which is actually quite bullish. So I would say that the last level it needs to break is, and it's a weird level, but it seems to be this key area right here. Let's say at 2.32, all right? I think that's the main level. So I would even say, I would even go as far, like today we have a lot of big news that will affect crypto and that will affect Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will affect TIA. But in my eyes right now, the most likely scenario does seem that TIA will head up to 2.32, excuse me, and that it will perhaps find resistance initially, but that afterwards it will break above that level and at least rally to the local highs right here at 2.46, 2.5. I think that's kind of the big price targets, the big area right here, as you can see, and then it could break above that. But that's that depends a lot on how much momentum builds up over the day for Celestia. I cannot say that right now. Like if the open interest keeps growing like this, then it's a possibility. But for now, I would say that's a price target, but it's not likely that it will break above that because it hasn't even broken above $2.32. All right, like I said, that's a prerequisite, because if TIA just tests 2.32 right now and then falls back down below 2.25, then that rally is just not happening on the short term. And then it's more likely that it will drop back down to 2.15. So it all depends on 2.32. Like I said, I'm leaning a little bit more towards TIA being able to break above that. But in crypto, as most of you know, it's always better to wait for confirmation. So those are my thoughts. Those are my initial thoughts on the technicals around TIA. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Like I said, if you want to know more about the project, what it is, check out my video I made yesterday. You can easily find it because the thumbnail is very different. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.